Hey everyone, it's Topher from Bounty Score, and I am showing you how to get Dream.Build.Play achievement. Unlocking this achievement is super easy. All you have to do is equip specific costumes on each of your Miis. Once you have fully beaten the game, go into a world where you can have 8 Miis. Press pause and equip each costume I have equipped here. This achievement will unlock and you'll have a cool 30 gamer score. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, leave a comment, letting us know what achievement guide you would like to see. I'll see you all later.